Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're working here on a Mercedes C-Class. This is the generation from 2008 all the way to 2015, and we'll show you in today's video guys how to remove and replace front park light bulbs. We're talking about, okay, there are two bulbs now, one right here, okay, and you have one little one in the headlight over there. So it's the same thing on the other side as well. We'll demonstrate only on one side, so stay with us, and okay, we'll show you how to do that. You can see the little bulb there. It's easier to get that bulb, but this one is a little bit hard to get to, so stay with us. Let's start on it now. More than 200 videos will be made on this vehicle, so if you need anything, subscribe. We're constantly adding videos, and let us know if you want to see anything specific. Alright guys, so now the park light bulb that's located in the headlight, we'll be doing this one first. Left and right side will be the same. We'll demonstrate on the right side. So what you need to do now, okay, let me show you where the bulb is located. Okay, it's located, okay, in this cover, okay, right here. That's where the little bulb is. Okay, you're going to remove that cover. That's where the high beam bulb is as well. And stay with us towards the end. We have a broken headlight, so I can show you better. And towards on the left side right here, there is one little bulb that you grab with your fingers and just pull it out. It's very limited room. Okay, and it could be a little bit tight. Okay, and you can see it's towards right there, so you need to grab it really tight and pull it out. If it's never been removed, it will be tight. So this is the bulb now. In order to remove it, you just grab it with your fingers and pull it out, and be very careful not to break it in your fingers. We'll have the links for new bulbs in the description of the video below, so check it out. When you grab the new bulb, okay, you need to install it on the socket. It goes only one way. Push it in until it locks in place. Now you have to get in the headlight. Okay, get in the hole and push it in. Okay, it's in. We're going to install the cap now. Okay, and now let me show you. Okay, that cap is very important to get it on, because otherwise you have dust and moisture in the headlight. Let me show you where this bulb is located. This is a broken headlight out of the Mercedes, because as you know, we got the Mercedes wrecked. This is the little bulb towards the inside. Okay, you can see right there. And okay, we just pull it out. You can see just like that. And you can see it has two things on the sides. Okay, right here, 1, 2, and they go in the lower spots right here on top and bottom. So it goes in only one way. It's important to get it in the right way. Okay, and you might need to turn it a little bit to get everything locked in place. Okay, just like that. So that's the whole procedure for this bulb. Now stay with us to see how to replace, okay, the little bulb right there. So what we'll need to do next, okay, we'll need to go ahead, okay, you need to install tire chocks. Okay, and this is because we'll be working on the front right side, so we install them on the rear left diagonal. You have to have the car in park if it's automatic. Okay, emergency brake on all the way. Next, okay, we're going to jack up this side because we'll be working on the right side. You always guys have to use a jack stand. We have all the tools, okay, and parts we use in the description below. Check it out under the video. If you need anything, we'll have it there. Okay, so let's get the jack stand now. And next we're going to remove the tire. Have to take the lug bolts loose before we jack it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the other one now. Okay, perfect. Now we just pull it out, and we're going to throw it under the car, face up. So if something happens, the jack stand fail, at least the tire, the wheel will catch it, so it's not gonna kill you while you're underneath. Now we will need to remove the fender liner, okay, on the front side. So we have 3 clips here. Okay, let me grab the light quick. Okay, you can see this clip right here, one more over there, and one of ours is missing. So on those you pull the middle piece out and then you pull the whole clip. So we'll use the panel removal tool set that we have here. It's very inexpensive, but it does an amazing job. Okay, and we're going to pull, okay, the clips now. Okay, the middle piece came out. Now we need to pull the other one. Okay, like that. We need to do the same thing to all 3 of them. Remember, one of ours is missing, so we can do only 2. Okay, perfect. This one came out as well. Now underneath, we have a few more things that we need to do. Okay, let us show you what exactly. So I'm under the vehicle now, okay, and we have one more clip. Okay, right there that we are removing, the same kind of clip. Now we have 8mm screw that we need to remove. Okay, right there. And now the fender liner can go towards the back like that. Okay, so now you can pull the fender liner towards the back, and that's where the light bulb is. You turn counterclockwise. Okay, about 30 degrees. Okay, let me come on the phone actually to show you, because I cannot get the camera in there. Okay, you can see how we turn and pull it out. Okay, this is the bulb right here. You grab it with your fingers, pull it out. You can have them in orange, you can have them chrome, deep, different kinds as well. We have the link in the description of the video, the bulbs that we use. Okay, so next you grab the new one, push it in. Okay, like that. Now we need to install it there. It goes only one way in the slot, and then you turn clockwise until it gets locked in place. Okay, like that. You can see it's right there now. So all you have to do, install the clips, and after that install the wheel, get the bolts tight, and that should be all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.